everyone, and welcome back to another episode of MBG. Now, if you've ever thought about greening up your home, the plant souq located behind the wholesale market is a great place to start. And today, I'm going to take you on a little tour. Now, even though we live in a desert climate here in Doha, there's actually a great variety of plants that you can grow outdoors, such as this Indian jasmine and this Chinese ixora. So here we've got a lime tree, and then over here we've got an almond tree, and I had no clue we could grow nut trees here in Qatar. Guava, there's actually a really good selection of outdoor trees, fruiting trees, flowering trees that you can grow in the desert. Now here we have an olive tree, and I've always wanted to grow one of these. They're actually one of the easiest trees to grow here in the desert. Now if you want to grow indoors, there's lots of plants to choose from to suit every budget and to suit every home. The plant stores also have a great variety of seeds, from flowering seeds to fruit and vegetables and to herbs. I think I'm going to take these red onions. Oh, look at these coloured stones. These are great. I think I like the orange and the pink and the blue too. Awesome. Okay, there's a lot of accessories here at the plant stores, and there's things like watering cans, compost, fertilizer, and I'm also starting to see little kits for growing at home. Salad kits and microgreens, which is a really great idea. You can pick up a variety of pots too for indoors and outdoors in different sizes and prices, and it's great to see some of these pots being made from recycled materials. Always a great thing. So it might look heavy, but it's actually really light. That's my little tour of the plant souq. I hope you enjoyed it. I think I've got everything I need, so now it's time to start growing. Until next time, bye for now.